Welcome to this session on displaying activity types in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to view the master data behind activity types, key elements used for cost allocation and operational reporting in controlling. You'll follow the steps to access the display screen, interpret fields such as activity unit, description, and allocation cost element, and understand how these values connect to production and financial processes. Activity types are vital for accurately measuring work performed at work centers, like machine usage or labor hours, and ensuring those efforts are properly costed and reported. Let's bring this to life with an example from Pepsi. Imagine a bottling plant at Pepsi where production equipment such as labeling machines operates continuously throughout the day. The finance and controlling teams need to allocate the operating costs like maintenance, energy, and labor based on how many machine hours are used. By displaying the activity type for machine hours in SAP, they can confirm the unit of measure, verify the correct cost element is assigned, and ensure costs are posted accurately when internal orders or production orders are settled. In another example, a maintenance team in Pepsi's US facilities uses an activity type linked to labor hours for special repairs. When the team logs time, SAP ensures that their work is costed to the correct production line or cost center through the activity type. At a company like Pepsi, where operations stretch across continents, keeping activity types accurate and up to date ensures reliable reporting, transparent costing, and strong financial control across the supply chain. Now think about your own SAP environment. Are your activity types clearly defined and aligned with how work is performed? Could reviewing these master records help improve cost tracking and reporting accuracy? Let's dive in and learn how to display and interpret activity types effectively in SAP. Let's begin by learning how to display an activity type in SAP. Activity types are an essential element in SAP Controlling. They represent the kinds of activities performed at work centers and are used to allocate costs to products, production orders, and internal orders. To start, navigate to the Display Activity Type screen from the SAP Easy Access menu. From the SAP Easy Access screen, follow this path. Accounting, Controlling, Cost Center, Accounting, Master Data, Activity Type, Individual Processing, Display. This path will lead you to the correct screen where existing activity types are managed and reviewed. Alternatively, you can use a faster method by entering a transaction code. Simply type KL03 into the command field at the top of the screen and press Enter. Transaction code KL03 is the standard SAP transaction code for displaying an activity type master record. Once the Set Controlling Area dialog box appears, you'll need to input the controlling area to define the financial scope for your session. In the controlling area field, enter 1000. This selection ensures that SAP retrieves data linked to the correct financial organization. Confirm your entry to move forward. Now locate the activity type field. Here you'll enter the specific activity type code that you wish to display. An activity type typically corresponds to measurable efforts like labor hours, machine time, or engineering support. After entering the activity type, click Enter to proceed. The controlling area you selected earlier ensures that the system looks for the activity type within the correct cost and work center structure. This prevents confusion when working across multiple companies or plants. Now that you've accessed the activity type master record, let's review the important fields. First, click on the Basic Data tab. You'll find several key pieces of information here. Name here provides a short name for the activity type. In this case, the name is machine hours, which gives users an immediate idea of what activity is being measured. Description field offers a slightly longer explanation, again confirming machine hours as the nature of the activity. Next, look at the activity unit field. The activity unit defines how the activity is measured. For example, machine hours, labor hours, or even units produced. This ensures consistency across cost planning, allocation, and reporting processes. Finally, review the allocation cost element. The allocation cost element determines how SAP records costs when activities are performed and settled onto other cost objects, such as production orders, cost centers, or internal orders. It ensures that costs are posted correctly and transparently within controlling. Each of these fields, name, description, unit of measure, and cost element, works together to ensure that activities are accurately recorded, costed, and reported within SAP. Take a moment to verify that all displayed data matches your expectations for the activity you're reviewing. Once you have reviewed all necessary details, click the Exit button. You will return to the SAP Easy Access screen, ready for your next task. And that's it. You've successfully displayed and reviewed an activity type in SAP, gaining important insights into how operational efforts are measured and financially tracked within the system. Great work! You've now completed this walkthrough on displaying activity types in SAP. You've learned how to access the display screen using transaction KL03, review key fields like the name, description, activity unit, and allocation cost element, and understand how activity types tie operational effort to financial records. Accurately maintained activity types ensure that costs are allocated where work is actually performed, whether it's machine time, labor effort, or service delivery. This supports more transparent financial reporting and smarter decision making across departments. Let's revisit our Pepsi example. By carefully managing activity types across their global plants, whether tracking machine hours, maintenance efforts, or warehouse activities, Pepsi ensures that operational efficiency translates into financial accountability. It allows them to analyze production costs, control overheads, and maintain profitability across hundreds of production sites worldwide. Now reflect on your own operations. Are activity types set up to mirror real-world work? Could checking them more regularly improve your costing accuracy or reporting processes? With this new knowledge, you're better equipped to ensure SAP activity types reflect true operations, building a stronger connection between production, finance, and decision making. Keep practicing. Every SAP detail you master helps you drive better results.